Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. This is part 2 of how to make the TikTok trend edit dear Sabrina Carpenter. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, just click the link in the descriptions to watch it. And then just go back to your first clips and add 2 keyframes, one at the start and one at the end. Like this. And then just zoom in slightly at the end keyframes. For example, like this, and then on the second clip, just zoom in at the start instead, like this. And then just keep alternating this pattern to all the clips. And then add the graph between the keyframes for that smooth motion curve. Just tap on graph, this one, and then choose flow to this one, and then just apply to all clips. Like this. And then on each clip, add a middle keyframe, and at the last keyframe just lower opacity to 50% for a soft fade transition. And then just export your video. Go back to your projects and then just import that new clip back into CapCut, like this. And then just delete the intro part and then reverse the clip. And then just lower these saturations into -50, like this. And finally just add a effect. Search for Unreal. This one. Set the durations. Go to objects and then all videos. And then just add chrome blur effects. This one. Go to objects and then all videos. And then let's just add the music. And okay, your video will look like this. Okay, like this. Your TikTok edit is done. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.